Welcome back to Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'm your host, Lionel Drew, and today we're diving into something that's changing lives all across the world right now, and that is this simple idea. Ditch the commute and take back control of your life. Think about it for a second. How many hours have you spent sitting in traffic, rushing to get ready, stressing about being on time, only to go work on someone else's dream? It adds up, not just in time, but in energy and freedom and honestly, in missed opportunities. Now, here's the shift. Work from home opportunities aren't just a trend anymore, they are taking over. People are realizing they don't need to trade their entire day just to earn a living. They're building income streams from their living room, their kitchen table, even from their phone. But let me be real with you. Not all work from home opportunities are created equal. Some are dead ends, some are confusing, and some just flat out don't work. That's exactly why I started looking for something different, something real, something that actually teaches you how to build income instead of just chasing it. And that's where affiliate marketing changed everything for me. Now, if you're new to this, affiliate marketing is simple at its core. You're recommending products, services, or systems that provide value, and when someone makes a purchase through your recommendation, you earn a commission. But what most people don't tell you is this: the real power isn't just in sharing links, it's in learning the skills behind it. Skills like how to attract people online, how to build trust, how to create content that actually converts, and how to build a system that works for you even when you're not working. That's where most beginners struggle. They try to figure it all out alone. I know I did. But everything changed when I got plugged into the right environment, the right mentorship, and the right system. And that's why I want to introduce you to something that's been a game changer, not just for me, but for so many people inside this community. It's a system where you can literally earn while you learn affiliate marketing. Let me say that again. You don't have to wait until you're an expert to start making money. You can begin learning the process, applying what you learn, and earning commissions at the same time. That's powerful. Inside this system, you get access to free live training that walks you step by step through what actually works in today's online space. No guessing, no trying to piece things together from random videos. And what I respect the most is the focus on doing things the right way. We're talking about real best practices, building a brand, creating value first content, learning ethical marketing, and building something sustainable, not just quick wins. This isn't about hype. This is about building something that can grow over time. Now let's connect this back to the original idea: ditching the commute. Imagine waking up and not rushing. Imagine having more control over your schedule. Imagine working from your own environment while building something that actually belongs to you. That's what affiliate marketing can open the door to. And I've been learning directly from my mentor, Wayne Crow, who's been showing us how to do this the right way, from the ground up. Not shortcuts, but systems. Not pressure, but process. And if you've been looking for a way to get started, or you've been stuck trying to figure this out on your own, I want to invite you to take that first step. Go to olsplive.com. That's where you can plug into the system, access the training, and start learning how this all works for yourself. No pressure, just opportunity. Now, before we wrap this up, I want to ask you something. If you're getting value from this podcast, if this message is opening your eyes even just a little bit, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and let me know if working from home is something you've been thinking about. I read those comments and I want to connect with you. And one more thing, be sure to check the description around this podcast episode for daily bonuses and more information about the OLSP Earn While You Learn program. There's a lot of value there waiting for you. All right, that's it for today's episode of Internet Affiliate Secrets. Remember, you don't have to stay stuck in a routine that's draining you. You can learn something new, you can build something real, and you can start right where you are. I'm Lionel Drew, and I'll see you in the next episode.